Welcome to Daily Passenger. Today, join me on a trip to Fort Kochi for the annual Kochi Carnival celebration. This yearly event, deeply rooted in Portuguese culture, takes place on the 1st of January every year, marking a festive start to the new calendar. A night before, a night before, on 31st December, you can also witness the enchanting spectacle of Papanji burning. Kochi Carnival is a celebration of New Year and all things good. In this vlog, I will take you through the celebrations, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with my travels. While the carnival draws inspiration from Portuguese traditions, the essence is undeniably local. The event sees participants in costumes reflecting local folklore, pop culture, movies, and religious themes. As the sun sets on 1st of January, the main street of Fort Kochi transforms into a kaleidoscope of colors. The carnival starts with a traditional Chendamelam performance or traditional drum beats. Since it is a carnival, the tunes are more celebratory compared to the ones performed in temples.